Our story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.